to send large files via Gmail. This tutorial shows you how to share large attachments using Google Drive integration in Gmail. First, launch the Gmail application on your Android device. Next, the inbox will appear showing all your received emails. Following that, locate and tap on the Compose button at the bottom right corner. Now, a new email draft will open, ready for you to write. Moving forward, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Afterwards, add a subject line describing your email content. In addition to that, type your message in the body section if needed. Once you're ready to attach files, tap on the attachment icon at the top. Subsequently, select the file you want to send from your device storage. Moreover, if the file exceeds 25 megabytes, Gmail will automatically upload it to Google Drive. Afterwards, the file will be attached as a Google Drive link instead of a direct attachment. Then, you can also manually tap on Insert from Drive, files from your cloud storage. Within this section, browse through your Google Drive folders and select the large file. Alternatively, adjust sharing permissions by tapping on the File Settings icon. Once the file is attached as a Drive link, recipients will be able to access it. Then, verify that all details are correct, including recipient and subject line. Afterwards, tap on the Send button at the top right to deliver your email. Then, your large file will be shared successfully via Google Drive link through Gmail. And that's it! If this tutorial helped you send large files via Gmail, give it a like, subscribe for more Gmail tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one!